Wagwan, welcome back to another video with Make Me Show You. Now today I'm going to show you how to find your plugins in Ableton Live. So you want to go to preferences, you click on that and you want to ensure that those three items are checked on. Then you can select rescan and to see if your plugins will pop up. Also ensure that your plugin windows, all three are on below. You see multiple plugin, auto hide, auto open plugin windows. Ensure that those are on as well. Alright, after that you might get an alert. If not, just do a rescan, restart Ableton Live, and you are good to go. And it's just easy as that, guys. So remember, like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.